Okay, what do we got going on here? We got the limit as x approaches -3 of, let's say, x squared plus x minus 6, and it's all going to be over x squared minus 9. Okay, so the idea is do direct substitution first and see what you get. So if we were to plug -3 into the top up here, we'd get -3 squared, which is going to be 9. Plugging -3 into x here, so that's going to end up being a -3. So we're going to have 9 minus 3 minus 6. Well, -3 minus 6 is going to be a -9, or we'd say 9 minus 9 is 0 on the top. And if we plug -3 into the denominator, you'd have 0. So 0 over 0. So that means that we need to try to factor and then cancel some terms out. So let's do that. So we're going to always rewrite the limit as x approaches -3. Okay, so I'm going to factor the numerator, and this should factor to, this is how I always do this. I start out like that right there. Okay, two numbers multiply together, it gives us -6, and then when we add them we get a +1. So how about we start with a 2 here and a 3 here. 2 times 3 is 6, but we need to get a negative here. So how about we say a -2 and a +3. I think that'll work out. Now we have a sum of we have the difference of two squares, so this becomes x minus 3 and x plus 3. So we have an x plus 3 in the numerator and x plus 3 in the denominator. We will be able to just cancel those guys out. Now I'm going to rewrite this limit. So we have the limit as x approaches -3. We have x minus 2 in the numerator and x minus 3 in the denominator. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the direct substitution, plugging -3 directly in. Alright. And we end up with, actually, I like to write it actually below here. So we have -5 over -6. And of course we have a negative over a negative, so that's going to cancel out. And our final answer is going to be a +5/6. So we can come up here now and say that our original limit is equal to 5/6. Easy enough.